Gonna salt the steak. Right, now we're gonna put the beef tallow in. Look at that. Alright, look at this. Ta-da! I've done it again. I've done it again. Look at this. Are you crazy, mate? Are you crazy? I'm too good at cooking. Ah, it's fucking burning me actually. Ah! Okay, boys, now we're gonna baste it. Baste it. Whatever it is, I don't know. Chuck the flipping butter in there. Oh my god, look at that. And bon appetito. Oh my flipping god. I ain't being funny, that looks like perfection on the screen I'm seeing. What the flip? Oh my god, are you actually joking me? Alright, taste test time, boys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've done it again. Cut the flipping cameras again. I'm gonna eat this and watch some Money Heist. See you later. Alright boys, that steak went down a treat.